Hi, this is Ishmeal Lamptey. As you can see, I'm very wet. Today I went to the Tini Waterfalls. I went with Rexford and Nkawkaw. Kofi, you can find his channel on YouTube. And it took us like about 3 hours drive from Accra to get to the Tini township. And then there's a part where you can rest from the town, and then from there you take a trek to the falls. So from that side to the falls, it's like about 30 minutes of trek in the forest. And when you get to the falls, it looked very, very, very beautiful over there. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make so much videos because of the waves that was coming from the falls, but I must say it looked beautiful. Yeah, I'm very tired because we didn't spend so much time over there, and we have to trek our way back to the base station. So that's what we are doing now. We have like about 25 minutes more of trek to go, and then we'll be back there, and then probably over there we can take some rest and then continue back to Accra from here. So yeah, Tini Waterfalls. I don't know how many of you have heard of Tini Waterfalls. You can share with me in the comment section Tini Waterfalls if you know about this place, and maybe any other waterfalls around that you might want to suggest as well. So thank you very much for watching. That will be just about it for now. I'll see you in the next one.